Okay, so we have everything is nice and solid. It was like super wobbly before, but essentially I've framed only the necessary. Wood is extremely expensive up in Canada right now. I know it's expensive everywhere, but I'm talking like 2 bundles, 12 pieces of 2x2s cost me 65 Canadian dollars. And so it doesn't seem like a lot here, but what you don't see is all the stuff that had to be removed and taking the bolts off, because this thing is actually needs to be carriage bolted to the frame, and so all the carriage bolts that were framed or tied down to the actual frame were completely rotten. So this thing was kind of just floating on top. So I didn't realize it was that bad. So anyway, so this has all been redone now. So I got everything framed, and now it's solid as a rock. Now you can wiggle, jump in here, and nothing shakes, which is awesome. Except for me falling over. Okay, that's fine. But yeah, so I just got this last little corner to do. It's dark right now, so it's getting late. And so that's it. Continue tomorrow.